Hey homegirls, welcome back to my channel. It's the one and only WandaThaGoddess. Today I'm coming at you with a wig install. This video is not sponsored at all. I got this wig from Beauty Forever Hair. This is their Jerry Curl wig in 26 inches. She's going on vacation, so I need a cute curly wig so I can just wet it and go, because we won't have time to curl, none of that. So yes. So if you want to see how I install this wig, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and keep on watching. And then this is what the wig looks like after I dyed it and just wet it. And I put a little bit of conditioner in it. I really barely did anything but just wet it. I already bleached the knots, but we're still going to go in with the foundation. Ooh. Okay, and I did not pluck the wig at all. And I feel like it is pre-plucked a little bit, but we're still going to go in and pluck. Now this is a 13 by 4. So, you know, you don't have a lot of parting space, because I kind of want to do a side part. Let's see what we can do. and this is 26 inches. And this is really my first time doing curly hair. This doesn't give me 26. Probably like 24. This is definitely like a 24. I'm gonna, so you can see, yeah, it's not that long. I just wanted to give my own review on it. The hair is not bad. You did see it shed, like it sheds. I mean, but that's any hair in general. But so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.